Home remedies for hiccups. A hiccup, additionally called synchronous diaphragmatic flutter, SDF, or singultus, is an uncontrollable contraction of the diaphragm that could repeat several times consistent with minute. As the diaphragm contracts, it causes you to respire air in very quickly, accompanied via an unexpected closure of your vocal cords. Commonly, the sound of a hiccup is the handiest sign. Right here are some home remedies to get rid of hiccups. 1. Cold water. You could shock your system with cold water to forestall hiccups. Any kind of shock will cause distraction and could help position your hiccups to rest. Quickly drink a pitcher of cold water with honey in it, and your hiccups will go away right now. You may additionally gargle with cold water for 1 minute to hold hiccups at bay. 2. Hold your breath. Maintaining your breath is an anti-cure for hiccups. It increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the bloodstream, which distracts the thoughts and forestalls the cycle of hiccups. Take a deep breath and maintain it for as long as you may without letting any air out. Exhale gently in a managed manner. 3. Peanut butter. Every other agent remedy to maintain hiccups at bay is peanut butter. The sticky, gooey consistency of peanut butter interrupts the respiratory pattern while you try to swallow it, and this helps forestall non-stop hiccups. Put 1 teaspoon of peanut butter to your mouth. Preserve it for a few seconds, then swallow it without chewing. If required, drink a glass of water. 4. Cardamom. Cardamom is likewise a powerful treatment for hiccups. It has muscle-relaxing properties and as a result, can forestall hiccups. Mix 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder in a pitcher of hot water. Set it apart for 15 minutes, and then strain it and drink it slowly. 5. Sugar. Sugar is an awesome home cure for hiccups, especially for small children who cannot efficiently entire the 2 remedies defined above. Swallow 1–2 teaspoon of vinegar, followed through a glass of water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video. If you want to share your experience and extra suggestions, please keep in mind to comment underneath.